Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. And y'all, welcome to my new bag room. If you have been watching my channel in the past, you knew that I was about to move. We've been packing for over a month now and we're now in our new home. And this is my new dedicated workspace for my channel. So I have all of these nice shelves. I have a workspace here to do all of my unboxings and everything on, so I can show you some really fabulous luxury and handbags. So if you're into handbags and luxury as much as I am, and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio and you can find lots of great information there and shopping links as well, so definitely check those out. And y'all, lastly, if everybody could just take a moment before you leave this video, if you're enjoying it, and give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate that. And y'all, today I'm gonna be unboxing a really nice bag that I got before we moved. I ordered it and it's been sitting in storage. It's the Cargo Tote in the rainbow print from Coach, and it's the 26 size, and I can't wait to unbox it because I've had it forever. I also have a surprise Zimomo at the end of the video we're gonna unbox. If you're unfamiliar with what a Zimomo is, it is the male version of the Labubu, and this one is about this tall, so it's very tall. It's a big Zimomo, and this is the brown one, and I think he's really adorable, and I have quite a few of the Zimomos, so y'all definitely stick around to the end of the video and we're gonna unbox that big brown Zimomo. And y'all, I do appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, probably about a month or so, but the moving process, if you've moved recently or ever moved, you know that it's a whirlwind that goes on around it. We had to pack up about 11 years worth of stuff that we had collected over the years, and it's just a lot of stuff. You don't realize how many things you have. In fact, as I was unboxing all of these bags, I was like, oh my God, I didn't realize I had so many bags. But we're gonna be downsizing a little bit, hopefully, and I'm always trying to downsize, but then I always get more. So, you know, that's the cycle of everything. But I do enjoy my handbags, and I hope you do too. So I'm gonna be styling my handbags and doing some videos and content on those as well. So do, you know, stay tuned. And like I said, subscribe if you haven't. And I do appreciate all of my viewers. Thank you so much for staying with me over my channel's length. And let's go ahead, y'all, and get on with the unboxing of this Coach Cargo Tote, okay? I have my little cutter here. This is the cutest little cutter, y'all. It's like a little cat claw I got from Amazon, and I love it. So we're gonna cut into this box. This came from Amazon on Coach. So let's cut it open and see what we have here. And like I said, I've been waiting to unbox this bag for a while now, so I'm really excited about getting into it. All right. So let's pop it open here. All right. Okay. All right, now let me open it up here. So here it is. And like I said, this came from Amazon. You know, Amazon's selling Coach now. And there is the bag. Let me open this box up and let's get into it here. All right, y'all, here it is. Let me turn it around for you. Look how cute it is in the bag here. I just can't wait to unbox this. I love this rainbow print on it. I don't think I have any of the Cargo Totes. This is my first one, but let's open it up here and we'll see it. I'll do a 360 of it, and then I'm gonna take off all of the packaging and I'll show you some close-up details of it. But here it is. I'll show it to you up close with all the stuff on. Really beautiful. I love the rainbows on it, and it's embroidered with all these little rainbows and of course the Coach logo. So this is the 26 size, okay? Let's do a 360 of it and then we'll come back and I'll take everything off and we'll show some close-up details of it, and I'll move in a little bit closer with my camera. So there it is, and there is the bottom of it. So really cute, and I love the rainbow print on it. All right, y'all, so that's the 360 of this little Cargo Tote. Let me move in closer so I can show you some close-up details on it. All right, y'all, so here we are. We got everything off the bag, the packaging and the wrapping on the inside, and all the stuffing is out of it. It did come with a dust bag. Y'all know how we feel about a dust bag here. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. We get rid of those. All right, y'all, so let me show you this bag up close. It's so adorable. Here it is. It has the logo here on the little hang tag. Really nice, and look at that beautiful embroidered rainbow and Coach and everything on the front there, New York. Very, very cute. I love the canvas material on the front of it. It feels really nice. You can kind of get a feel of the texture if I rub it there, just to see it's got a nice feel to it. And that is the front side of it, but really, really cute. It does have a turn lock on the front here so that you can get into this front pocket. And then you have a really nice spacious front pocket on the front there. Let's open it up so you can see. And you can store all your stuff down in there, a nice phone and all kind of stuff. It does have a D-ring as well on the inside there. So, like I said, this is my first cargo tote, so this is new to me, but I do like this one so far, and hopefully I'm gonna get some use out of it. It's a little smaller than I would normally get, but I just had to have it because it was in this rainbow print. So I love it, and I adore the rainbow on it. So there's the side of it, and of course it's just the canvas on the side there. All right, and then there's the back side of it, and you have all those embroidered rainbows, and then on the back side you also have a Coach embossed stamp there with the little button there that says Coach on it that you can snap closed for the back side pocket, because there's another pocket on the back here. And then you have a little snap there. You can just snap the two together. Let me snap it too. Of course, your other side has a D-ring as well, and that's just for the strap. There's a rainbow strap I'll show you in a minute. And of course, all of the snaps and everything on the inside have the Coach logoing and all on it, if you can see that there on camera. Let me snap that closed. All right, so there it is closed up. And let me open it up for you. Now the top part of it is the same canvas material, and it has a really nice leather zipper pull on it. Let's open it up and see the inside of the bag. All right, so there's your interior of the bag. It does have a embossed Coach logo there. There is no Journey tag. That is kind of the tag. It's just embroidered onto the bag. Normally you would have like a little patch, a Journey patch, but this is just kind of in the canvas. So that's new to me as well. And of course it does have this button on the inside there that has Coach on it too. So very nice. And then there's the back side of the other side there with your little piece that has the turn lock that comes through the front. So just a nice opening on the inside there to store all of your things. I will surely get a bag organizer to go down in this bag, okay? And then of course you have your nice handles on the top there in the canvas. It's a really nice comfortable grip on the bag too. Let me show you the strap real quick that come with it. Okay, so here is the strap. It is a rainbow color strap, which I have some stuff behind me from the Pride collection from years ago that has a rainbow strap. This one's a little bit different, I think, but let me show it to you up close. Okay, so there is your dog leash style clasp. You have the leather on it, and then you have this nice canvas in the rainbow color with the keeper, and it is adjustable as well. Okay, and then of course your other side has your other doggy leash thing there. And like I said, you can attach these on the inside of the front pieces there where your D-rings are on the inside there. So let's attach it, and I'll show you what it looks like on. All right, so there's what it looks like attached, and you have your little D-rings there that will attach it there. And let's see what it looks like on, okay? All right, y'all, so here it is on me. Y'all know I'm 6'2", so it does look a little short on me. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Of course, I'll probably just wear it top handle, but I just had to have it because I just love the rainbow color on it. So I do have some other straps. I have a black strap as well that's longer, or an adjustable one. And I believe the other rainbow strap I have is actually longer. So it'll be nice to use too, because this one is a little bit short on me, but I do think it's really cute, and I love the bag itself, and I just adore the rainbow print on that canvas there. So just a really, really cute bag. So, all right, y'all. So y'all let me know what you think about this little cargo tote in the comments, and let's go ahead. We're gonna unbox that big Zimomo. All right, y'all, so that is the little cargo tote in the 26 size in the rainbow print from Coach. I think it's a beautiful, and I'm so happy to add it to my Pride collection. It does have the little hang tag there if I didn't show you, with the rainbow colors on it too. So I can't wait to dress it up and use it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing of that big brown Zimomo. All right, y'all, let's unbox this giant Zimomo. Here's the box it comes in. I told y'all it was big. All right, let's get into it here and unwrap it. I've been wanting to unwrap this thing probably for about a month and a half now. And since we've been moving, I just kind of put it away in storage and, you know, forgot about it, but they're so adorable. Let me use my cat claw because this isn't working here. Let's see. All right. So much wrapping. I'm so tired of wrapping and boxes and things. I don't care if I ever see another cardboard box. All right, y'all, let's slide this off here. This is the original Zimomo, and then of course they started coming out with different ones. The Angel in Clouds, the white one I have. He's really adorable too, has wings and everything, and I'll show you that on another video, but I was happy to get this one because to me this is my, I think it's the most cutest one of all, or the most cute of all of the Zimomos. So there is all the wrapping off of it. Let's get into the box here. There is the picture on the front of it there, and it says the original Zimomo. And I'll just spin it around where you can see the entire box here, but it's just one big box. And let's get into it here. So I believe this just pops open. It does have a seal here. Let me cut. All right, and let's open up this original Zimomo in the brown. All right, so there it is. It comes with a tote bag that has the Zimomo on the front, original Zimomo on the front there. So you get a huge tote bag. I'll show you that in a moment. Then you get your card here that has the Zimomo on it as well. But let me open it up and take the Zimomo out so we can see it, see its adorableness. All right. All right, y'all, so here it is. Oh, it's so cute. I can't wait to get it out. All right, y'all, here it is. Let me get rid of this big ass box. Jesus. All right, y'all, so here is the Zimomo in the packaging. Let's unbox it and get all this wrapping off, and I'll show some details on it. So cute. All right, y'all, here he is. Look how cute he is. I think he's so adorable. Now, this is the original Zimomo, like I said, and here's the little card, and the name of this one is called I Found You. There is its little card there, and it says the Zimomo original on the back of it. So he's simply adorable. I just think he's cute as can be. Look at the eyes on it. So cute. The eyes move around, so you can move them to a different pose if you want to. Make him look to the side or to the middle, make him cross-eyed. They're just so cute. I just love the little fluffy ears too, and you can't tell me this thing isn't adorable. It has a little tail on it too, y'all, with little horns going down. So cute. So I'm gonna add him to my little Labubu / Zimomo collection, but I think he's simply adorable. Y'all tell me what you think about this beautiful Zimomo in the comments. All right, y'all, and here's the big tote that comes with it. Like I said, you get a really nice big tote, and it's got the Zimomo ears on it, so I can carry all of my stuff in this nice big tote. So really nice little touch there, but I just think he's super, super adorable. And I just love that he has a tail, y'all. Look at the tail. And you can bend the tail and it poses, and the hands you can move up and down too. So you can pose the hands as well. He also has a little collar on him, y'all, that says the Monsters on it. So it's the Monsters from Pop Mart. I just think he's the most adorable one out of all the Zimomos, so I was so happy to get him. So I'm gonna add him to my collection and put him on my shelf somewhere. All right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Cargo Coach Tote in the 26 size rainbow print. I think it's really cute. And thank you so much for sticking around to watch the unboxing of my big brown Zimomo, I Found You. He's so adorable. Y'all, I appreciate y'all for coming back and watching my content, and thank you for watching this video as well. I hope you enjoy my new bag room. Let me know what you think about it in the comments and about these products I reviewed for you today. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to Mad Hatter Bags yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'll give me a like on the way out, that does help as well, and I appreciate each and every thumbs up. I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.